Yeah, I'll try that, but just let me get all this together. Thanks for the guidelines. I know a little bit, but not too much. But it's always good to learn from somebody who can tells you something. So I check spark already, and the spark is good because I get shock. Okay, so yeah, no, it's a snow blower. It's a snow blower. So when I check, they overfill it with oil right away. This oil. This is extra oil I meet inside. So and then I take out the plug. The plug was all oily and black. So look, yeah. So one thing at a time, guys. So I check the spark. We have spark already, and the plug was all gummy with stuff on there. So I take apart the jet to the cylinder there. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. The thing I found was fine with it. I checked the spark already, but when I crank the engine, oh boy, I get shocked. So I know it's getting current. So that's a good sign. So I opened up the bar, the fuel. It didn't have any fuel, and so now I start. That's why the lose. That's why when somebody say don't lose the thing on the cap. So yeah. So I put that back, and then now I'm gonna check to make sure everything is back as it should be. But the plug was having oil on the top. Where's the foot? Yeah, the button is on the other side. The button is here, and the prime button. Yeah. So that seems to be working. So I think I'll crank it up a little bit. Um, I'm gonna put some gas, some of this brake cleaner inside the cylinder. Yes, you gotta get that. Yeah, but I don't understand too much of this, so I'm just give me a second, guys. So I'm gonna spray some of this in the cylinder, just to crank it around. Yeah, guys, you're gonna walk me through, but give me 1 second. Let me just tighten this stuff up. And guys, I wish I could have, I wish I could have